videos can actually help your channel visibility. Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your fave Emisumi Francis. Guys, I'm so sorry for disappearing. I know I owe you guys an apology. I owe everyone an apology, and I'm here saying I am so sorry for just neglecting you like that. How dare I? I'm so sorry. I concentrated on my other YouTube channel, neglecting this one, forgetting that I have a beautiful family waiting for me here. But I thank God I am back. Yes, I am back bigger, better, and stronger. Okay. So if you've gone somewhere before, oh yeah, start coming back. I am back. I am back, and I promise I'm not going to leave you all, never again. Promise, cross my heart, hope to leave because nobody is fine. All right, so enough of all of that. Let's dive straight into the matters of today. All right, I'm going to be walking you through how to add end screens to your video using your mobile phone. End screen is that YouTube features that appears at the last 2 to 20 seconds of your video. Adding end screen to your videos can actually help your channel visibility because it is just like you are redirecting audience to a particular video. And that is another way of holding your audience retention. You can actually use your end screen to promote your videos on your playlist or other external websites. So in this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to add end screen to your videos using your mobile phone. First and first, you are going to make sure you have your YouTube studio because how can a YouTuber not have a YouTube studio? All right, but we are not going to be using the YouTube Studio app. We are going to be using our Chrome device. So let's go straight into the tutorial. Yeah, so what we are going to do is we're going to click on our Chrome browser, which is here. Yeah, so after clicking on it, we are going to type on the search bar, okay, studio.youtube.com. Click on it. Yeah. So it has brought us to our dashboard. We're going to wait for it to open fully. Yeah, so it has brought us to our dashboard, and here is it. So what you're going to do, you can see over here, you're going to click on video, which is the second one, video. Yeah, now it has brought us to our videos. Okay, mine is just 4 because I have just 4 videos on my channel. So I'm going to be making use of this, my first video, which happens, yes, my first YouTube video. I'll be clicking on the title. So you click on the title of the particular video you want to add end screen to. All right, now it has displayed this way. So what you're going to do, over here you can see end screen over here. So you're going to click on the pencil sign. Yeah, so it has brought us down here. Okay, yeah, so this is how it's going to display on your phone or on your system, whichever one you're making use of. So this is what it's going to display like. Now we have import from latest video. If you want this like to import your latest video, okay, so you're going to click here, which is going to give you your latest video. Here, 1 video, 1 subscriber, 1 playlist, 1 subscribe. Here, your 2 videos. So if you want it to carry 2 videos, you just click on this one. But for me, I'll be making use of this 1 video, 1 subscribe. Now it's gotten like this. What you're going to do right now is to click on the end screen space over here. You tap it. Once you tap it, it will give you option. Okay, Let's make it more bold. Okay, it will give you options like most recent upload. If you want it to give you, if you click on it, your most recent upload will be there. Then this one, best for viewers, allow YouTube to select a video from your channel to best suit your viewers. Now the next one is choose specific video. Select from your video or from any video on YouTube. All right, so it shows you can add any video at all as you end screen, but of course you have to add your video because we are trying to redirect viewers to another video. So you're going to click on choose specific video. Now here, that's brought us here. Now we are going to choose from a specific video. Most times, or how it looks like when you have a lot of videos on your channel, not all your videos will be displayed here, okay? And if, for example, the video you want to choose is not being shown here, what you have to do, you can look at this sign over here, search your videos, and here says search from other channel. All right, you don't click here. If you tap here, it will give you the search for you to search for other channel. But when you click on this search your video over here, you will tap on it and you search and you type your video's title. That is for someone that have a lot of video on his or her channel. Not all your video will display in this plain white box over here. If the one you want to add on your end screen is not here on this plain white box, you will tap on the title over here. Type on the video title here and it will pop up. All right, mine is like this because these are the only videos I have. So let me say I want to use this shocking truth exposed. Okay, I will click on it and voila, here is it. Now you can see it. So what we are going to do right now after doing this is to click on save. All right, now our end screen have been added to this particular video. Okay, now let's go back to our YouTube and check it out. Okay, let's go to our channel and check it out. This is the video over here, right? Okay, so this is the video over here. So what we're going to do, let's move it down to the last 2 to 20 seconds more and see how it's going to display. Now look at it, voila, this is how to add end screen to your video. I hope these tutorials have been able to help someone out there. All right, do me well to subscribe to this channel. If you've not subscribed to this channel, turn on your post notification bell so you can always get notified when next we drop a new video. And I'll wait back-to-back good video content from this very channel. See you next time. Don't forget, this shouldn't be your last time of seeing this face. Bye bye.